morning, class. How are you all? Fine. Today we are going to learn about letter L with activity. L make a sound. L. L. L make a sound. L. L. L make a sound. L. L make a sound to it. L.
You write it properly. Make a standing line. Then make a sleeping line. Gaurav, make a standing line. Then make a sleeping line. Very good. Clap for yourself.
Make a standing line. Good. Make a standing line. Then a sleeping line. Good, good. Okay, okay, complete. Stop. A standing line. Then a sleeping line. Bas. A standing line. Make a standing line. Make a sleeping line. अच्छे से बनाइए क्या लिखते हो घर में लिखने पड़ते नहीं होता L. L for
Which letter is this? Shivika, which letter? Letter is this? Very good.